How's it going, Chris?
It's going great, Joseph. We have something very cool to show our customers today. This here is an MSC4C-7, one of our adjustable multiple spindle heads in a line of many. This particular customer, they came to us and they had 2 bolt circle diameters that they had to achieve with this one head. And they also wanted to use it on their own existing drill press. So we were able to accommodate that by a simple loosening of the acorn nut on each spindle. They're able to move the spindles out to any bolt circle diameter from smallest to largest and then back again. The nice thing about every head that leaves this shop, we utilize ER collet chucks with standard ER collets. And so with a simple change of the ER collet to accommodate the new drill size, they simply snap it into the collet nut, make sure it spins freely, insert it back into the collet chuck, and we also provide them the collet wrench for every head that leaves. Like I said, this customer wants to attach this onto their existing drill press. We made an adapter for their drill press model. This adapter simply bolts onto the head. The top section here is a clamp. It clamps onto the quill of their drill press, and we provide them the drive adapter that goes from the multiple spindle head to their drill press. So this customer is ready to rock. They're ready to take care of bolt circle patterns. And if you need help developing a strategy for your application, please give us a call. We're here to help.